So on the Neo, on the wireless devices, I think it's because they want you to check the signal. I don't really know why, but they should. You would think that they would just automatically enroll, like it would pick them up. And we can turn our chime on, so that way we can hear it. And you can tell it's just not picking it up. That's why when you're doing this, you want to mount all your equipment on the wall and do your wireless stuff last. Because once the system gets it all, the wireless all networked, you don't really want it to ever lose network. But in order to get them networked in, all you have to do is just tamper them. So on the Neo, these devices, you just pull them apart like you were going to change the battery. And put them back together. And when you do that, you want to turn the chime on, make sure you have your chime on. But you'll see the green flashing light. I don't know if you can see that. And you want green light. If it's red, when it's working, when it's functioning, if you have a red flashing light, that means you have a poor signal. You can install a repeater to get a better signal, but you want a green. You can do it with a yellow, but that's the first one. So I'll set that right here. And they've got these in brown too. So commercial facility doors, the aluminum doors. We're going to take it apart, put it together. Maybe not. There it goes. So you might have to, that's why when you do these, I always program everything up. There it goes. See that light flashing? And I have it just to chime on open. You can program it to chime on closed too. Take our last contact here. So as you can see, it's not going to work unless you actually tamper the device. Best way to tamper these things, little flathead, and stick it in this little side notch and just pop it. And you want to pull it apart, put it back together. It's gonna, lights are going to start flashing. The magnet, you can feel a little notch where the magnet goes on the side. There you go, see the green light flash? And now for the motion, kind of the same thing. Just kind of pop this shut here. Just tamper it. You might have to do it a few times. And there you go. Alright, so I just opened the cover, shut it a few times. You'll see now it's actually got these things are only going to detect motion when you first connect them, so the motion detectors, and you can see it's flashing green here when it's detecting movement. So that green signal again means it has good signal to the wireless. If you're not getting a good, green signal bouncing back on it, that means it doesn't have a good signal. And I'm going to pull you down here again. And if you can see on the panel, we have no troubles. So let's set up a main user code for the system. You do that by hitting *5. It's going to have you enter the master code. Right now the code is 1, 2, 3, 4. So hit 1, 2, 3, 4. User 1 is programmed. So it says user 1 programmed. And we want to program user 1 with a different code. So hit star and then hit star again. And now you can enter whatever kind of code you want. In the Neo 2 you can do 6-digit configuration. So that's nice. And that's it. We've completely installed and programmed the PowerSeries Neo with 3 doors and a wireless motion. My name is Brandon Adams. I'm with Central Security in Austin, Texas. I'm a master security systems integrator. I specialize in cloud-based user-managed systems for alarm systems, access control, video surveillance. We do backward and forward integration of video and alarm into the access control and also on the alarm systems. If you're interested in any monitoring services, please contact Central Security. Thank you.